Amy. Welcome back to my channel. On this video I am showing you guys things I do, how I keep my house from smelling like pets. Tip 1, change out the AC filter. Tip 2, put your favorite essential oil in your diffuser or whatever fragrance that you like. These are just some of the things that I do to help keep my house smelling fresh. And dust. Make sure you dust everything because all the dog hair, the dander. We have 2 dogs and 2 cats, so I have to dust frequently, and that also keeps the house from smelling like animals and keep it smelling fresh. And dusting was tip 3. Tip 4, vacuum your couch very well. The back of it, the sides, the bottom. Just vacuum it and get as much as that hair off of it that you can possibly get. And once I'm done vacuuming it, I will go in with my homemade lavender linen spray that I use, and I spray my couch with it, the chair. I'll even spray my carpet down with it as well, and it just makes the house smell super good. But it makes it smell so much better in here. And tip number 5, wash all of your throw blankets that the dogs lay on. And tip 6 is get all of their dog beds and strip them down and wash them. Tip 7, wash their dog toys. And for the dog beds, I'm just using some Gain laundry soap, Gain fabric softener, and some laundry Lysol disinfectant. Tip 8, vacuum your whole house as best as that you can. I usually go over it a couple of times just to try to get as much as that dog hair up as much as I can. So that was a lot of dog hair that I got up. So tip 9, shampoo your carpets. And the product I am using is a Bissell Pet Stain and Odor Remover. So I'm just going to go in with this and shampoo my carpets. And tip 10, open up all of the windows in the house and just let it air out. I didn't open my windows on this day because it was fixing to start storming its butt off. So now I'm just washing the dog toys, and all I use is about 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar to wash all their dog toys in, because it is safe for them. It's safe, it doesn't harm them, and it gets them clean. And I don't like using laundry soap on their dog toys just because because sometimes the laundry soap don't come out all the way of the dog toys, or they get up in the little squeaker part or whatever. I just don't like to use it because it's just not laundry soap's not really safe for the dogs on their dog toys, so just use white distilled vinegar. So now I am just putting the covers back on their dog beds. Tip 11, give your dogs a bath. So I'm just giving Bailey a quick bath, and he does smell pretty bad. He rolled around in something outside. So I'm just going to give him a bath, and then the next step is grooming him. I groom him myself, and he doesn't come out perfect, but he does look a lot better than what he did. Bailey has been banned from all of the groomers. He nips, and he got himself banned, so I groom him myself, and I don't do a perfect job, but he does look better in the end. Y'all see here in a few. So now it is grooming time, and I am just getting the clippers set up and getting the table set up, and he's seen me get it set up, and he kind of took off. He is not a fan. I do muzzle him just because he does like to nip, and I don't want him biting me or nipping at me while I am grooming him. That's why he got banned from all of the other grooming places. When I got him, he was a rescue, and he was on death row. They were actually about to put him to sleep because they said he was aggressive and he wasn't good with kids, or he just wasn't good with anybody. And I didn't want to believe that, so I opened up his little kennel and I got him out, and he was fine with me and my husband and our kids, and so we just brought him home, and he's been with us ever since. But he does not like to be groomed. He does nip and bite, so I do muzzle him just for my safety and his. So those are my tips, how to keep your home smelling fresh and clean and not like animals. I hope this helps, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday and a wonderful rest of your week. And this is what Bailey looks like now.